Hey there and welcome back to Umbraco TV. This is the third video about members in Umbraco. In this video, we'll create a new member type and manage the properties associated with our members. My name is Gabriel and I will be your Umbraco Unicorn guide today. Alright, I'm in the back office of my Umbraco installation, and in the previous video, we have created another member called John by using the default member type. Now it's actually time to create our own member type. To do that, we'll just need to jump to the settings section and find the member types. Here it is. Right click and then we have the option to create a new member type. We can create our own member type and add properties and tabs just as with document types. Now let's just provide a name, unicorns. Then we can select an icon as well. I will just go with users, the situation, and then I will just save it. And as soon as we save this, we'll notice that the membership group it's added automatically. This group includes all of the default member types properties. The properties are locked, which means you cannot remove them, but you can still configure the settings for each property. For example, we have this one called comments. If you click on the arrow in here, we'll have the option to show on the member profile, and also we'll have the option to give a member the opportunity to edit the specific field. On this situation, we can also add our custom property for our unicorns member type. So let's do that. I will create another group called avatar. All right. And now let's add another property for our member type. So I'll call it unicorns, unicorn picture. And as I mentioned, this is basically the same workflow as you follow at the moment when you set up the properties of a document type. I will select as an editor a media picker. Here we go. Perfect. So now we have our custom member type called unicorns. Now let's add a new member based on this member type. So I'll just go back to the member section. And now when I try to create a new member, I have this lovely small arrow which gives the option to choose the member type we want to use. So we have unicorns and also the default one, members. Let's choose the unicorn member and start filling out the information of the new user. Let's say Gabriel. Then we have the default settings in here, also the login, email, and the password. Let's say umbraco.com. Exactly the same. And then we can actually provide a picture. Here we go. Brilliant. And now let's just save it. All right. So now if I just go back to all members, I'll find Gabriel and I can see that has a different icon in here. So this one is related to the unicorns one. So I can click on it and then we can see that it has the unicorn picture in here. So this is how you set up a custom member type in Umbraco. In the next video, we'll have a look on how we can use the member groups. So see you soon.